As we prepare for allocation this Saturday, the 6th of April 2024, we enjoin you to take part in this allocation. This is Elite Court Estate, Ugogo, Enugu. Elite Court Estate is a 500 square meters per plot estate with good road network, portable water, good drainage, 24/7 security, and almost every other thing you look for in an estate. As you can see, the perimeter fencing is completed with a gate. Now, the interesting thing is this estate is an immediate allocation estate. However, on Saturday, we are planning a general allocation for people that have keyed in so far and have paid completely. Like you can see, the beacons are all on ground, capped and ready to be allocated. Clients will, come here on Saturday and will be allocated their plots one after the other. This estate comes with a deed of assignment and a registered survey. What that means is it is fully registered. Like you can see, it's in a very serene environment, and you want to key in right now. With 1 million naira, you can lock in your plot right here at Elite Court. It's a fully planned and beautiful estate. So call today to key in on Elite Court Estate. I'll see you on Saturday.